Today's look is a rosy neutral showdown. I'm putting Urban Decay Naked 3 up against Dollar Tree's LA Colors and Mercier eyeshadow palettes. So can Budget Beauty really compete with a $64 classic icon from Urban Decay? We're gonna find out. Here's the look. How about you give me your opinion? Which eye is which? Leave your comment below. Come on now, leave it below, guys. Jeez. If you want to become a glammy and see more of this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss another showdown or hoedown. Keep watching. Good morning, guys. Are you as excited as I am? Naked 3. You know, this was a gift to me from one of my clients, and I'm excited to bring you this look because it is exact. Like, it really is. It's exact. So I am winged and I am ready to go. I have on Maybelline's Colossal in black, LA Colors Stellar Black from the Wildflowers collection for my wing, Essence Eye Primer, and Cosmic Colors Blurring Face Primer. So the first shade that I'm going to use is from Glamorous, and it is shade number 9. Here is the beginning of the palette. If I'm looking at it this way, it is this one right here, and I go this way. So this is shade number 9 right there. I am putting that in the crease as the transition. I'm going to keep it out of the lid. It's a bit darker, this shade, so I really don't want to put it on the lid. It's a little darker than I normally would do, but there really isn't another shade in here. And it was random. These picks were random, so I guess it is what it is. So from the Naked palette, it is Liar, this shade right there. And that would be shade number 8, just in case your the writing on the package is gone, because mine is. I actually had to write it down and place it onto the, tape it there so I would know what the names are. The next shade is going to be Blackheart. This was surprisingly easy to find. From Mercier, the brown palette, it is shade number 8 right there. And I'm placing that along the eyeliner line and up into the crease. This is the exact same shade. In fact, I think this one's prettier. It doesn't have as much of a black base as Blackheart does. I'm putting this underneath the eye as well. Wow, I haven't even had to redip. Blackheart is a little darker, but the same exact, it's got sparkles, it's got the undertone, and again under the eye, just to the middle of the pupil. So the next shade from Urban Decay is Dust, and that is shade number 2 from Cruise Control. It's right there. And I'm just placing that on the lid. Who bought this palette? Did any of you? So I'm going into Dust. It's shade number 2, and sorry, this is Blackheart, shade 12. This is 2. And I'm putting that on the lid. So go get your Naked 3, and put it aside, because I am going to be doing more than one look with it. This is in the rotation for the month. So I am going to be doing as many looks with it as I can for the month to get use out of it and to bring you guys looks. I know you put it away. I know you have. Is it still available? I don't even know. I didn't look. I didn't check. Putting on more of shade number 8 from Mercier, because when I put on shade number 2 from Cruise Control, I took away some of the darkness right here. Going back into Blackheart and doing the same on the other eye. I'm going to take Dust from Naked 3 and I'm putting it under the eye. Like I said, this was a random pick. It's probably not something I would have picked, but then when I pick something, it never works because I don't know what to do. But I always can figure it out if I do the randomizer. Just makes it work in my head somehow. Again with shade 8 under the eye from Mercier, the brown palette. There's a pink one and there's a brown one. I love them both. I really do. They're really amazing quality. They don't swatch well though, guys. So don't judge it by that, because they really don't. Some do, some don't, but mainly they don't. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more of Liar, shade 8, and I'm just going to put it here. And like I said, I don't even have shade 1 and 4 anymore. I don't even remember what they were. I mean, I could look online at a picture. Who's got time for that? So from Glamorous, shade 9. And I'm just re-adding the outer corner, and I did that on the other side too, as you saw. Just to make my eye bigger. This just makes it look like my crease is closer to up here than right here. That's all it does, is it enlarges your eye. I'm going to do my eyeliner, my wing, with E.L.F's Expert Liquid Eyeliner. Full disclosure, guys, I have 17 videos in the backlog here, and they gotta go up. And a few of them are from April. So I'm just letting you know, so that you're not thinking, oh my gosh, she's going backwards with her filming. Wow, like rookie here. Yeah, no, that's not what's happening. I just haven't had time to edit. My hand is doing a lot better. I just thought I'd let you know. It has its moments of being overly sensitive and making me want to cringe, but for the most part, it's a lot better. It's June 1st today. In 2 days, I will have started YouTube for 4 months. It has been a journey. Let me tell you, I did not know how hard YouTube was. It's not hard, it's time consuming. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm not complaining either. I absolutely love this. Oh, this is Maybelline's Gel Liner and the Stellar Black eyeliner from LA Colors. I hope I'm getting better, guys. I really do. I want to give you quality work. I don't want to bore you with things. Some critiques would help, like what you want to see. Be nice though, please. My little fragile ego can't handle being mean. It's not even my ego, it's just me as a human. I've been through a lot in my life. 25 years with a gaslighting husband, so I just can't handle it. Okay. There's that. So I am going to go and put on the L'Oreal Hyaluronic foundation. I'll be back with my full face and I'll show you what lipstick I'm wearing. And it went perfectly. Okay, I'll be back. I know, I have my glasses on, sorry. So I have on Amber from Fenty and CoverGirl's Instant Cheekbones in Peach Perfection. This is new for summer. And I'll keep it in for 3 months, so it's gone in September and a new one comes in. Yeah, I'm weird like that. Okay, so the lipstick is going to be Skinny Dipping from Wet n Wild because I am panning this. And my lip liner is MAC's Great Expectations. So here's the finished look, guys. I think it turned out beautifully. So, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell because I'm just getting started. This has been only 4 months, and this is going into the 4th month, so there's lots more to come. And I would love to see you on that journey. So please have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!